Hey, what's up guys? My name is Matt. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of some YEEZY merch. Let's get into the video. So what did I buy? Why did I do it? Well, this in here is the Coachella merch that he released online at Coachella. I didn't go to Coachella. I didn't really have an interest of going, honestly, and it's just a little too pricey for me. But what better way to spend that money than on some YEEZY merch, am I right? Probably not. Open it up and I will show you guys what's in this right now. Alright, opening this up. Let's see. As you can see, we have some socks and we have a shirt, and literally there's nothing else in this box. This is like the least fancy box I've had in a very long time. So I'm actually really curious about all of this. I've actually never owned anything from like YEEZY Supply besides like some Calabasas socks that when they're like 15 bucks. These were definitely a lot more expensive than that. This is the Trust God t-shirt, it looks. So on the front we have Trust God. As you can see here, it looks like a tiny neckline. Inside of this, you can see like this is the tag on there. It's kind of cool actually. I actually really like the look of that. And on the back, you see the Sunday service at the mountain on it. This is actually a really thick shirt, and right now I'm just looking over the little details on it. I'm gonna try to put like a close-up of it, but like the stitching on the arms is actually just like the single stitch all the way across. It's actually really nice. Like, people give YEEZY a hard time for how much his clothes cost and everything like that, but in reality this is actually really well made. It's really thick. I bought this for summertime and it almost feels like it's gonna be a little bit too thick for summertime, and I don't think you can tell, but this like Trust God is actually like a little bit like puffy, so it's coming out a bit, which I think is a really nice touch to it. Makes it more three-dimensional in that sense. And I went with my true like Fear of God Essentials size. I've been fluctuating between like a medium and large in those, so I thought I'd play a little bit safe, get a large with this. But overall, man, like, I'm actually surprised that this is, I shouldn't be surprised, honestly. But the quality on this is actually really good. I guess it's from hearing so many people say that this merch is overpriced, or I'd spend that much on a t-shirt, and mind you, it is expensive, but comparative to like other things I've found, like, this is actually really nice. It does, at the bottom, have an unfinished look to it, which I actually really like in shirts. A lot of John Elliott stuff that kind of comes the same way, but kind of like it just starts rolling up at the very bottom. Yeah, overall, I really like this, and I will show you some on bodies right now. Alright, and the second thing on here is just socks. They're socks. I don't know what to say. And I think yeah. I think it's good to note with this is I've owned the Calabasas socks, which I thought were really good. There's like a 3-pack for $15, and then I have the boucle socks, which are like a lot thicker. I bought them with the 700s because I thought it would help with making my cart go through, and then come to find out that I didn't really even need to do that. But those socks are really thick. They did kind of roll up at the bottom too, and these ones are probably the most disappointing of the bunch. I honestly mainly liked it because it said like church socks and Jesus walks on it, and I was almost like, oh, I could just put it together and make like Jesus socks. Like I'm corny like that, okay? Overall, like, socks probably not worth it in my opinion. Like, I'm comparing this against the other two socks that I have owned from YEEZY Supply. I actually don't have a Calabasas one available right now. Let's see, like, this is the boucle sock, and it is thick. It has this like little like thing at the bottom, like top, kind of similar to a t-shirt, this like unfinished look, which, I mean, it's kind of annoying actually. I actually prefer it when it has a finished end on sock, because you can kind of see, like, maybe from this angle, like this one is so thick. Like, this is a good winter sock. This is probably make a better summer sock, but the actual quality like just isn't as good as the Calabasas one. It's a little bit thinner towards like the heel and the actual like bottom of your foot. It's just like a lot thinner overall. He probably meant it to be for summer, which I guess it makes sense at that point. But I mean, why would you really want like super long socks for the summertime, you know? I don't know. So these were my Yeezy pickups for the Yeezy Supply merch, Kanye West merch, Coachella merch thing. I actually just really like this shirt. I'm kind of curious on seeing how I can style it because it's very big. I honestly would say I wouldn't be surprised if I end up selling this if this fits way too big. I actually really like the quality of this. I don't know why people keep complaining so much about it. Like honestly, like paying for this, like honestly for me, I would say it's worth it. If you have a chance to pick one of these up close to retail, I would do it. But yeah, this is just some of my thoughts on this. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are in the comments below. Let me know if you guys picked up anything from Yeezy Supply. They had some really cool stuff recently and even some really good prices on there. But like I end every single video here, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.